RadiSafe protects you from the risk of electromagnetic radiation and might not have damage to the human nerves. RadiSafe reduces this radiation is very large. There are many health problems when using mobile phone frequently, including headache, anxiety, tension, and cancer. Exposure to radiation from cell phone is a growing concern around the world. As more and more studies point towards a link between cell phone radiation and headaches, certain types of cancer, and ever-lowered sperm counts in males. Consumers are searching for ways to protect themselves from this potential threat. The World Health Organization, based upon the majority view of the scientific and medical communities, has stated that cancers unlikely to be caused by cellular phones of their base stations, and that reviews have found no convincing evidence for other health effects. The World Health Organization experts make recommendations about mobile phones in the year 2010. Some national radiation advisory authorities have recommended measures to minimize exposures to their citizens as a precautionary measures. Many scientific studies have investigated possible health effects of mobile phone radiations. These studies are occasionally reviewed by some scientific committees to assess overall risks. A recent assessment was published in the year 2007 by the European Commission's Scientific Committee on Emerging and Newly Identified Health Risks. It concludes that the three lines of evidence, whereas animal, in vitro, and epidemiological studies, indicate that exposure to radio frequency fields is unlikely to lead to an increase in cancer in humans. Recent studies showed that tumors are more likely to occur on the side to the head that the cell handset is used. 1 hour cell phone use per day significantly increases tumor risk after 10 years or more. A new study released by the Research Center at the Cleveland Clinic in Ohio suggests an alarming increase in infertility amongst men who are frequently using cell phones. In each of the 4 criteria singled out in the study, sperm count and motility and viability and appearance, those who used cell phones more than 4 hours per day fared the worst in each category. Swedish researchers from Lund University, Salford and Brunn and Persson and Eberhard and Malmgren have studied the effects of microwave radiation on the rat brain. They found a leakage of albumin into the brain via a permeated blood-brain barrier. This confirms earlier work on the blood-brain barrier by Alan Frey, Oscar and Hawkins, and Albert and Keynes. Other groups have not confirmed these findings in cell or animal studies. See the test how we are testing the radiation. When you keep your mobile phone near the radiation tester, it shows the radiation reading from 0 to 1000 MHz and above. Attach easily to the backside of the mobile phone. When your mobile gets attached to the RadiSafe, you can observe the radiation reading.